This is my 2016 Fiend Embryo bike check. BSD Damn Haley grips. Colony roaster bars. Salt something stem. We got a Haro dust cap with Odyssey bearings. Colt Sect V2 forks with McNeil Fashion Me Light pegs. V2, I guess. Shadow Raptor. It's all beat up. Then we got two things, and we got a Merit tension hub guard. Donna Squeaks. BSD Donna Squeaks. We got BSD Safari pedals. And we got stock cranks, don't worry about that. We got McNeil guard sprocket. I guess we have a KMC chain. Another 2 McNeil pegs. Kink drive side. Universal, I guess. And then we got a bike shop hub guard over here. And this back wheel is stock. And it's broken. It's dialed though. And we got a BSD beverage seat with stock.
Just on the top of it.
With stock seat post. And that is my 2016 bike check. Yeah, bye!
I'm calling an Indictor this time, boys.